Now. I am studying now. I am studying now. Today. She feels happy today. She feels happy today. Tonight. The sky is cloudy tonight. The sky is cloudy tonight. Yesterday. I met her yesterday. I met her yesterday. Ago. I finished the work 2 hours ago. I finished the work 2 hours ago. Earlier. She left earlier than us. She left earlier than us. Recently. She has changed her job recently. She has changed her job recently. Tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. Later. We can talk later. We can talk later. Soon. The train will arrive soon. The train will arrive soon. Then. He finished work, then left. He finished work, then left. Finally. She finally answered the phone. She finally answered the phone. Now. She is talking on the phone now. She is talking on the phone now. Today. We have a meeting today. We have a meeting today. Tonight. They are coming over tonight. They are coming over tonight. Currently. She is currently working from home. She is currently working from home. Yesterday. We finished the project yesterday. We finished the project yesterday. Ago. I moved here 2 years ago. I moved here 2 years ago. Recently. We recently bought a house. We recently bought a house. Earlier. I spoke to him earlier. I spoke to him earlier. Tomorrow. We will travel tomorrow. We will travel tomorrow. Soon. It will be my turn soon. It will be my turn soon. Later. I will finish it later. I will finish it later. Then. We studied, then rested. We studied, then rested. Finally. He finally finished his homework. He finally finished his homework. Now. I am reading the newspaper now. I am reading the newspaper now. Today. He feels better today. He feels better today. Tonight. I will finish the report tonight. I will finish the report tonight.